a man walk with a whole piece of Christmas tree to put in the rice? What is this? It's really Christmas rice.
It's like we're in a parang ban. Chef Jason, Rome.
It's Rome.
How to Foodie Nation. We are making Christmas rice today. It's going to be level vibes. Of course, when Rome on the show, you don't know what to expect.
How you mean?
And we're using our garlic infused coconut oil from CGA. Trust me, you don't want to miss this dish. It's level pace in here. Let's do this. Watch that room. I know when you came back this time, we had to do it twice.
Yeah.
I mean, the last time we came on the show, we did those hot wings.
And it was epic. Those wings were epic. You know, after the show, people are saying like, so you made these wings, it looked good, but it actually tastes good. It tasted marvelous. Trust and believe it was good.
Everything we make on the show, this tastes good.
It is good.
But I must say, you know, we got a good response and people asked for it, and we do listen to you. So you wanted Rome, we have Rome back. And of course, you know, Rome, when you think of Rome, you think of, you know, the whole synonymous vibes of parang.
Parang.
And I mean,
so we know that you love pone, but today, unfortunately, it's not pone, it is rice. So what type of rice
we're
is
doing
this?
a Christmas rice. You know, obviously for this festive season of Christmas,
All right.
we want to ensure that people could, you know, endeavor dishes that they could make for their family.
All
And a
right.
feast, and very simple.
Rice.
And I mean, we made a good impression the last time when two of us cooked together. A lot of people tried the dish, so I know that there's something.
So what's the difference between normal rice and Christmas rice?
Well, Christmas rice, we try to make it festive. So in terms of the ingredients we're using inside, we're using some cranberries, fresh ginger, olives,
Okay.
nuts, peppers. So it's almost going to look like a Christmas tree.
Oh, I thought any rice you cook Christmas Day is Christmas rice.
No, Rome. No.
We putting in, oh, a man walk with a whole piece of Christmas tree to put in the rice? What is this? It's really Christmas rice.
Listen,
It's really Christmas rice, so get your tree ready because clearly we're going to be cooking Christmas tree in this rice.
Listen, let me get you started. We are going to be using the garlic infused coconut oil from CGA.
Okay.
The beauty about this oil is that anything that you pretty much cook with it, you're going to get those strong garlic profiles coming through.
All right, let me smell it.
Smell it.
Yeah, boy, you can smell it.
So you don't even, you know, everybody who's rushing, you don't even need to get that fresh garlic
So,
aspect going on. This works very
If
well.
it's garlic infused, it means I don't want to cut up any garlic.
That's
to
what
go
I'm
with it.
saying. That's what
All
I'm
right,
saying.
so you just throw this oil in the pot and
Just like this, watch, let me show you.
All right.
So you put it inside there. Instead of using any other oil, this
Right.
is the best one to use when it comes to making this rice. So you put
Okay.
about 2-3 tablespoons inside there like that.
garlic infused.
Come inside, come inside. So we have our pot on medium to high heat. Immediately it's starting to get the...
Yeah, smelling the garlic. Again, the garlic said, as seen here as well, it said no preservatives, no cholesterol, rich in antioxidants, and it is great to ward away vampires. I have two by me there that are trying to get rid of for the longest while, so all you watch out.
You know what's good for also ridding of vampires? Ginger.
What? Ginger?
Yeah. Come. Put that inside there. Some fresh ginger inside
All right,
there. Let's
good,
go.
all good.
So
Where's
stir
the
that up
flame?
for me. And so fresh ginger, well, obviously we don't need that fresh garlic because we have this going on. Right, we're going with some diced onions inside here.
Right,
so
right.
familiar aromatics that we are accustomed to when making any quintessential Trini-based dish.
All right, so how I'll know when this finished?
Well, you're looking for a sort of a translucency.
All
It is
right,
where you
so
could
when it get
see-
clear.
Clear.
Right,
You know,
right,
for carb boy roll.
All right,
You're big in the dance.
All right.
So we're going in with some
What is this?
celery.
Celery.
Of course, you know, we're going to try to make it look like a Christmas tree when you really think about it. All the nice
So,
colors
but
inside.
I see, bro, what's this thing here for real? This piece of Christmas tree?
This is a piece. This is actually fresh rosemary.
Ah.
You're right. It does look like a
Yeah, it look
you
like
know,
a
the
Christmas tree. Look like a Christmas
So
tree.
what I've done is actually I've picked some already. That is, I chopped it up, and this is what it looks like in a nice little powder.
Right.
And what I'm going to be doing with it is just putting it inside here. I also threw some thyme inside here, some freshly picked thyme, and that again adds to the whole floral aspect. You get it, right? It's starting to pop
This
already.
thing,
Now we
you're
increase the
smelling
high
it. I'm
heat.
definitely smelling the seasoning, the thyme. I can smell the thyme. The rosemary don't really smell too much like a Christmas tree, though.
No, it does. It does. But how does a Christmas tree smell, Rome?
It smells like decorations.
Like lights and then big bulb and whatnot. Like. So you have that sauteed up nice. So
Right.
I'm starting to see some clarity inside of the onions, and you don't want it to burn.
Okay, okay.
So what we're gonna do now is we have some.
But what looking like yesterday rice, so?
It is yesterday's rice. The best rice to use for any fried rice or Christmas rice is rice that pretty much you've had the day or 2 days ago. That is where fried rice came from.
Oh, I thought fried rice was where you just boil the rice and then you fry it right
No,
after.
actually you get a grainier aspect if you actually boil the rice and let it cool down in the refrigerator or day-old rice. So it stays nice and firm and grainy.
That is what, long grain or short grain rice?
It's short grain rice, man.
Okay,
Don't worry about that, man.
I know they use long grain rice when you want to catch a sukuya.
How are you talking about vampire and sukuya and all these things here? Rome.
No, I'm just saying, long grain rice, you use that to catch sukuya. If you have a sukuya by you, you throw some long grain rice outside your door, and she will stop to count it. And when she counting it, if the sunrise catches her, then she can't go back into her skin.
Have you ever caught a sukuya?
Yeah, I get about 2-3 sukuya in my time.
And what are the experiences like?
It'll be scary, but
You know how to deal with it?
but it will come around Christmas.
So could we probably look forward to probably a Christmas sukuya parang from
Yeah,
it?
okay.
Think about it now.
So how long we frying this rice?
We're going for about 2 minutes. And I think we more or less have done it for a minute already. But as you can see, it's starting to stir the rice, right? You're getting that sort of green aspect of the rosemary and thyme coming through. The garlic is still pronounced from that garlic
still
infused
smelling the
coconut oil,
garlic,
which is very important.
So could I use, I know coconut oil, a lot of people use it in their hair. Could we use this coconut oil in their hair?
Well, now you go word off the sukuya. you cannot use the garlic infused coconut oil in your hair because obviously this
because
is
of the
for
smell.
food preparation.
Right.
Right. This
But
is
normal coconut oil I can put in my hair?
You want to use the virgin.
Virgin.
The virgin, the best one to use is the virgin coconut oil. It's a cold pressed one, and that is the one that you would use for your skin, for your hair, and so forth.
So you can't cook with virgin coconut oil?
You can cook with virgin also. It's just that this does have the profile of garlic in it.
Right.
And this is suited for culinary purposes.
So when you say virgin coconut oil, I mean the coconut oil wasn't used anywhere else before?
It hasn't been heated. It hasn't gone through that extreme heated process or take jamming. So it's untouched. And that is what a virgin is.
Oh. Okay.
Speaking about that, colorful bell peppers, we have yellow and green. They're finely diced.
Right.
Now you're hearing that sizzle.
Yeah.
That means that it is frying.
But I find it turning brown, man.
It's not supposed to turn brown, Rome.
But I thought fried rice is be brown.
This is not fried chicken, Rome. We are trying to keep that nice floral color. If we
Okay.
do that, things are going to start to burn inside there. It's not peel out.
Okay, I know to me, when I think fried rice, I think a brown.
Okay, so
Fried
you
rice.
get the brown element from soy sauce inside there.
Okay.
So the addition of soy sauce gives it not only a savory flavor,
Right.
but also the color,
The color.
tinge.
All right.
All right.
So this is a white fried rice basically, not
Yes,
a brown.
but it's going to be colorful now because we're going to add some cranberries inside here. Feel free to use raisins if you have
Right,
it.
right,
I just
right.
like the cranberries. Again, we're going for that kind of festive
No,
floral.
but I like the color in this as well, because you're seeing the cranberries, you're seeing the bell peppers, and this is what?
Black olives.
Right,
We use it
so
in
you have,
pastels, green olives.
yeah. A lot of people will put olives in their pastels, but we put it in the rice, because it's Christmas rice, and we add in all the different elements. I like this.
Another thing also is nuts. A little bit of almonds.
Breads, nuts in our rice?
Nuts in our rice. Have you never had like Arabic rice or Mediterranean rice where they have nice slivered or sliced almonds inside of it? It's texture. You're gonna like it.
Nah, the only thing I normally have in my rice is corned beef. But I guess we can put nuts.
Listen to me. If you're doing that, just know that CJ also has a chili infused coconut
beef?
oil. No,
Oh, okay.
chili infused coconut oil, and they have lemon infused coconut oil for fish.
Alright.
So anything you're doing your fish,
All right,
you use
so I
that
can
inside
use
there.
it.
So you have 3 flavors: the garlic, the
But
lemon,
since
and
when
the
oil
chili.
gets so fancy, I thought oil was oil.
Well, when you see you talk about CJ, you talk
Wait, that's
about
a brother, man. Wait, that's
that
true.
is a little bit of salted butter coming down to the end.
This
That
man is
conditions
throwing
it.
thing in the pot. But what the jail is this? Alright, good. So this is salted butter.
This is a bit of salted butter inside here. We are going to add a little touch of black pepper to season it up. So you see all the spices started to come back inside here.
Ooh,
Paprika.
right,
You know paprika, right? It matches your shirt.
right.
It's actually dried sweet peppers that are smoked.
That's what paprika is?
That is all pretty much what it is.
Dried sweet peppers. Alright.
And a touch of salt. We do have the salted butter inside here. So you're allowing that butter to mix in, to melt inside here and condition the grains of the rice. Alright, you're stirring. You stirring nice? You're
Yes,
stirring with love.
Oh, let's check me now, man. Oh, let's
Listen to that.
check me now, man.
When we all saw Rome the last time, we made these wings.
Oh, let's
the link below, check it out. Rome making his own rice now.
Yeah, but well, I had to make the, because last time we made the wings, right? I didn't have the wings with.
So now we make the rice.
We had to make the rice. Now, what else would go along with something
I
like
think
this?
some
In terms of
good,
Christmas,
some
right?
good Christmas ham will go very well, but turkey very
Right,
nicely
the ham
with
and
this
turkey.
also.
I think the turkey will go. You see the cranberries, a lot of people
Yes.
match the cranberries with the turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey, you would
And
just
those are
sometimes use a
some
cranberry
ingredients
sauce.
that match up very well with the Christmas season. Hence the reason why we try to go with it for this Christmas rice. How we looking there? Nice?
Yeah, man.
Perfect, man. Perfect,
Smelling
perfect.
good
But look
too.
at you now, Rome. At the end of the day, you could forget para.
Boy, no, I use a mixed mortar and cement, and so you apply the same technique.
I figure,
boy.
I figure you're fooling me up. What does Rome do besides to Parang? Like any other sector you in, any other job?
Well, actually, a lot of people don't know, but I was an engineer. Still, I'm an engineer. I will always be an engineer.
What kind
But
of engineer?
yes, I'm a mechanical engineer.
Are you serious? Wow. And
Mechanical engineer. I spent 10 years in oil and gas.
Wow.
Before I went full time into entertainment and into parang and into soca and that sort of thing.
do you miss it? But
I would say, yeah, I do miss engineering a bit, but entertainment was more my passion. It was something that wake you up on a morning and you're always thinking about what's the next song or TV show or that sort of thing.
Yes.
So it was something that it would always be a part of me. I would always be an engineer. But
I also see you doing a lot of events and hosting. And obviously people love you. They're just enchanted when you come on the stage. You make them laugh.
that's what I love about entertainment, is that I get to put a smile on people's faces.
Yes.
You see, like how you would put a smile on people's faces when they eat your food? It's the same feeling I would get when I go in front of a crowd or I do a video and then I see people laughing or they comment.
It's a passionate feeling.
Yeah. It's something that you would feel passionate about.
Well, this rice, I feeling passionate about this, bro.
Nah, that's looking good.
At the end of the day now, we just want to throw some fresh. What's this?
What is that? That looking like shadow benny, brother.
No, Rome, that is Thyme.
No, a scythe is the brother of a shadow benny.
And what is
Celery is the sister.
And what is the mother-in-law of Shadow Benny?
That is
Podina. You know what? Let me plate up this rice here, Rome.
Right, good. Ready, please.
Rome, tell me you're making that Christmas morning now.
Ah, boy, this is looking good. I'm serious. I just looking at the whole.
The presentation of it,
Yeah, boy,
everything
I'm
how we come
watching all
together.
the colors. I'm trying to pinpoint where everything went, but it just infused together now. It look good.
And that's good. And that's very important when cooking, especially when you say presenting something for the family, especially with kids also.
Yeah.
It had to be colorful.
I like how you put a piece of Christmas tree on top of it.
Yeah, well, you know, there's a little piece of bush there. A little piece of bush is always needed.
All right.
You know, that is important. But you're getting the flavors of the, well, rather the aroma of the garlic coming through, so but I want you to taste it.
Right.
Give me a little feedback. Once it's safe, let me know. I'll go in after. Right?
I'm just missing a piece of turkey and a piece of ham to go with it.
Has a warmth to it, boy.
You actually tasting the garlic. So this will actually save a lot of time for somebody like me who's not a big cook, but I like to put some flavor in my pot.
Yes.
So I would usually cut up garlic. So you're saying with this coconut oil, I wouldn't have to cut up the garlic before.
Well, I say you're talking like a real bachelor there, but
I tell you last time I wasn't making egg.
well,
I
speaking
can
about
fry
egg,
I can boil egg.
so if you're frying egg in the morning, use a tablespoon of this oil in the morning.
Okay.
And obviously the garlic profiles will permeate throughout the egg, so you're gonna get that coming through.
Right.
A little bit of vegetables might be nice to use it also.
What about if you want to do something like garlic potatoes?
All right, so you cut up your potatoes, whether it be sweet potato or ordinary potatoes, drizzle it with the garlic infused coconut oil, put a little bit of touch of black pepper and salt, and massage it. And just put it in the oven. But the beauty about it is that you could get really imaginative because you don't even have to use the garlic infused only. There's also the chili infused coconut oil and the lemon infused coconut oil for seafood. So people out there, Trinidad and Tobago, throughout the Caribbean and the world, if you're trying this recipe, know that you can be flexible and try other oils also in the preparation. I mean, even if you're doing turkey, rub down your turkey with that nice garlic oil also, it will base nicely. So cooking is something that you really have to be flexible and imaginative with.
Yeah, and We'll put it in here for the vampires.
Yes, and the
Right,
sokonyans
right,
outside.
and the
Yes,
sokonyans.
yes.
Lagahu don't like garlic neither.
Listen, if you all want room to come back on the show and talk about folklore, Dwen, Papabois, Sokoya, Mermaid, Werewolf, comment below now. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, so when we post new videos, you will know. Hit me a comment if you make the fried rice. Tag Rome in it, you on Instagram?
Yeah. At itz, it's Rome, itz.rome, or same thing on YouTube, it's Rome. Just like that, it's Rome with a Z. It's Rome!
That's so quintessential. That's just your tone, right?
Yeah.
I want to get a ringtone to say, it's Rome!
It's Rome! You got no, it's a message. Anytime I get a message, it's Rome!
Like, can you imagine getting a WhatsApp folder with that? You know, so I mean, post your pictures, let us know. If you put it on Facebook, tag myself, Chef Jason Peru, and Rome also. And check out CGA products. They're online, they're on Facebook. And if you cook with any of the oils around Christmas time, give us some feedback because they're amazing. I'm really proud about this, and I think it's...
Yeah, and I'll come and parang by your house and eat some Christmas rice.
Well, you could count on that for sure, Rome. Because he come for the poor, honey, when he poured. We out there, guys. Thanks for joining us.